Welcome back, Scots. I'm Lee.
Hi, I'm Matthew Hernandez.
Good morning, Scots. Are you interested in a career in nursing? The Highland High School AVID program is pleased to present a guest speaker session with registered nurse Mario Armijo on Friday, December 2nd in the library during second period. Sign up at the Career and College Center and the library.
Hey Scots, are you perhaps interested in playing baseball this upcoming preseason? If you are, be sure to come to the varsity baseball field. There will be a meet today after school.
Campus life is a positive place where students can go and have fun with friends, talk about relevant issues, and be heard without judgment. Campus life meets every Tuesday during both lunches in room 11B. Here are some events happening here at Highland. Winter Sports Rally on December 9th, Ugly Sweater Day December 16th, formal bids go on sale on December 19th.
My name is Jackie and I'm here with
Ian.
What is a form of leadership?
A form of leadership is being a good example to others around you.
Thank you. I'm here today with
Christian Cisneros.
How do you show leadership?
Probably by trying to bring people up or just trying to be a good role model in general.
Thank you. Today I'm here with
Damian Pena.
What is a form of leadership to you?
Doing the right thing.
Integrity is when you show that you're a good person and that you do things that you would do with people around you, and you do it by yourself.
Integrity, I feel, is understanding your roots in a way, like never forgetting where you came from.
Integrity is doing the right thing, even though no one's looking.
Integrity means to me like just doing what's morally right, even when no one's looking.
Hi, I'm Elijah Cantu, and today I'm going to talk to you about what the A stands for in Plaid. A stands for attitude, and attitude is a certain way of thinking or feeling about someone or something. And now I'm going to ask one of our fellow Scotsmen what it means to have attitude at Highland.
Hi, I'm Kimberly. As a student athlete, attitude really affects the way you perform in a sport. So if you have a bad attitude, you're going to perform badly. So just think about having a positive attitude no matter what.
Hey Scots, I'm Ian Naila. The football awards banquet is happening this Thursday at the library from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Remember, winter sports is happening now. Basketball, soccer, and wrestling are having games and matches throughout December. Go out and support our Highland athletes.
That's all for today, Scots.
And remember, Scots, plaid up.